Hello everybody and welcome back to this series. Today we are on episode 3, I think, yes. And today we're going to make some more kind of designs, I would say. Like it's a start page where you load into the game and you can click on play, settings or credits. So on credits you can see credits if you want to enter some credits like to me or anyone that has helped you during this series. And play, you play the game, and settings like music, etc. This is part 1 of that episode. Like, if you understand, next episode we're going to continue with this. So yeah, you're good. If you feel like no, I can't wait for like 1 hour, yeah, you're good. So now you can download the you can get the link and download it. So it will look like if you go to Paint and then you go to upload costume, then for Scratch, here it is. Yeah, you can get another one if you want to, but I'm going to use this. Change the size to whatever, like this, and then you can do this, a little less like that. And now we are done with the starting page menu. Starting page, we can call it. Starting page menu. Alright. First we will do this. When green flag clicked, we will do show. This is good. Alright, important. And now we will do the play button. Alright. So let's do a kind of matching color. Maybe this color, since it's a cookie clicker game. We can see if it matches. Now we have our play button. That's awesome. Alright, now we have to make it work. So when green flag clicked, we're going to make it show. And when this sprite is clicked, we wanna broadcast play the game. So we also want to hide. Alright. So when we click this button, we are going to hide the button and we're going to announce that we are going to play the game. Like every sprite will know, oh, we're going to play the game, and they're going to do whatever they have to do. So this will hide. When that happens, when I receive play the game, it's going to hide. So now I think it should mostly work. Yeah, now it works. Awesome. Alright, the play button works. And now we're going to go to the credits menu. Alright, so also name this play button. Go to Paint and we will copy this thing. You can change if you want to, but I'm going to copy. And then I would move this a little bit down, about there. Change the text to credits. Alright, so now we have the design of it. I'm going to move that. Oh, that's good. Alright, so when we have clicked, when this sprite is clicked, we're going to make it like when green flag is clicked, we want to show. And when this sprite is clicked, we want to hide. Also, we want to broadcast. Oh, shoot. We want to broadcast. Open credits. So now, when we click that, it's going to hide. But now we also want it to open the credits. So we're going to make the menu for the credits. Also, name this credits button. Alright, credits button and credits menu. Alright, so now when we have this, we're going to go to cube, do this, and we will get a kind of like alright, that's good. Now we're going to make the label credits there. We're going to make it bigger, and we're going to, and here is the text you're going to write. So just do this for now. This line stuff for now, and then you're going to write when you have the credits. So yeah, when I receive open credits, show. When green flag clicked, you want to hide. Alright, so now it works. But now we also want to get out of the credits. So now we have to create another back button. So to do that, you're going to go to paint, going to pick this one, pick a reddish color, a little bit darker, and press this. And there, I will remove that whatever thing I made. There, put it like that. Put it in the middle, right there. Make it smaller. You can do it however you want, but I want it like this, like a little smaller, a back button, back, and change the color again, and select it, put it in the middle. Now we have a back button. Alright, and when green flag is clicked, we want to hide. And when this part is clicked, we want to broadcast. When I broadcast that, oh, they want to get out of the credits menu. Alright, then we have to hide the menu. So to do that, we're going to do like this, hide. So now this is what happens. We want to do this also. When I receive open credits, show. Alright, here. This is what happens right now. Only that. So what we are going to do is that we are going to, oh, we also have to broadcast back from credits. Alright, back from credits. So when I receive back from credits, I'm going to hide this. Yeah, now it works. But you realized how the credit button suddenly disappeared. So when I receive back from credits, we are going to show. So now it should work. Perfect. Alright. Now we want the settings. Now we want to get the settings. Alright. But we also want this to be named back button. Alright. So settings. Name this settings. Settings button. We wanna do a kind of how are we going to make this? Yes, we're going to make it like that. Alright, the same thing, like this. You may think it's boring, but you can change it however you want. As usual, as always. Alright, like that. And then we're going to change the text to settings. And make the text smaller. To put it like that. And now, when green flag is clicked, we wanna show. when this sprite is clicked, we want to hide and put over broadcast open settings. Alright, so now when we have this, the only thing that happens is that it closes, like nothing happens, it just hides. So we want to make a settings menu. Alright, when we want to make the settings menu, we want to make it look like this. We want everything to look alike, because else it's going to look very weird. But now we're going to change the label to settings, and we want to take these away. Instead of those, we are going to make it a little bit different, I would say. So when green flag clicked, hide. When I receive open settings, show. We also want a back button. When I receive open settings, we can do show. That's perfect. I think it will work. Alright, we'll see here. Maybe because it's not on front layer? Yes, that's why. So now it should work. Yes. But we also want this to hide. So when I receive back from credits, yeah, that's what we used, we are going to hide. So I think it should work. Yes, now it works. But again, this has to show when I receive back from credits. Show. So now it all works, I thought. Alright, I will see here. Oh, I know. We want to do this. When I receive open credits, we want to do hide. I think it should work now. Yes, good. So now we have to do it like this. When we press play, we want these to hide too. So when this sprite is clicked, broadcast play the game. So when I receive play the game, we want this to hide, and when in settings we want to do when receive play the game, we want this to hide. So now we want to check. Yes, it works. It works perfect. Alright, so now we have this. So that was it for this episode, and for next episode we're going to add things to the settings, like music on and off, and FPS counter maybe, and different stuff, like different cool stuff, and we're going to add even more stuff to the game. So stay tuned for part 3, and see you!